Clear Brow, North Dallas, finishing up a 25th anniversary Boxster, full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus, topped off with a ceramic coating, and also the XR Plus window film and 30% on the side doors and the back window. So let's take a quick walk around this Porsche Boxster and talk about some of the areas that we pay close attention to make sure it looks like the car's not even wrapped. Starting with the emblem. Everything nicely wrapped, no lines, edges, no lines. That's the bumper and the front trunk. Everything nicely done. Coming around, wrapping in all this, making sure that here we don't get an oblong hole from patterns. This is all custom. All this wraps in here, fully wrapped around inside this headlight bezel. Everything nicely wrapped. No markings, all the film's nice and clear. Fully wrapped around that back side. Everything's just looking fantastic in here. Our mirror fully wrapped in. Doors. We didn't remove the handles on this one. Client felt it wasn't necessary to remove the handles. So you can see where we get the edge really tight around here. These handles are done, so it wraps in here and it wraps underneath. These inlets for the motor are all wrapped in a stealth. This is like a bronze color for the 25th anniversary. So that's all wrapped in stealth paint protection film. This is all fully wrapped inside the door fully wrapped underneath. Coming around the back here, taillights out so we can wrap all the way under. Inside all these areas, all fully wrapped in. Everything's just really great. This trunk lid, this I took out, and this, so we can get no lines around that. Everything's perfect. All the film looks great. Fully wrapping our spoiler, front and back. Taking off the Boxster 25 for 25th anniversary. Took that off, so we have no lines around that. And same work over here, fully wrapped in under the light, fully wrapped into the light. And all these sides are fully wrapped in. Again, this bezel fully wrapped with stealth. These come off, so we don't have a line here. Just a lot of critical stuff that we pay attention to. No line under this mirror. Everything's under there. Our gas cap, no line around the gas cap. Everything's wrapped around this side. Everything's wrapped inside this fender area. So everything's done very well. So on this hood, tips are wrapped, fully wrapped in. And there it is. There's an overall. Everything looks fantastic. So Clear Brow, North Dallas, looking for a full wrap, wrapped edges. Some people think the wrap going on the car means you're wrapping the edges. You need to specify that with your installer. And we go over that when you drop off everything that we wrap. So there you go, folks. Anything you need, clearbrownorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809. I appreciate you guys watching, and have a great day.